Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about the scholarship opportunities in University of South Australia. University-wide scholarships for international students. So we will cover the University of South Australia offers following scholarship for international students. These three scholarships will be offered in University of South Australia. Research Training Program International Scholarships. Research training program and international scholarship are funded by Australian government and awarded to international students on basis of academic merit and research potential. These scholarships include a stipend, living allowance, and fee offset for limited time. Benefits and condition. Applicant must read, so you can take a look here. Scholarship benefit and condition before accepting an offer from us. These conditions apply for international students who accept an offer from us. You can also view our research degrees and training program scholarship policies. There are some policies you can also take a look. So the value of the scholarship total stipend is at least 32 Australian dollar per annum, 2023 stipend rate, and for nightly over maximum 3 years for PhD and over maximum 2 years for master's students. So they will provide 32,000 Australian dollars scholarship for PhD students and master's student. The total fee waiver is for maximum 3 years for PhD and over 2 years for master students. So they will cover your tuition fee and also provide the living stipend. The scholarship covers overseas health, student health cover, and so they will also cover your health expenses. So I think it's a good amount of scholarship. A thesis allowance is available. Please read offer carefully, ensure that it is right for you. How you can apply for that scholarship. Applications are made online via a project that has an assigned scholarship. View our so you can take a look here how you can apply for that scholarship. Similarly, we can take a look for other scholarships, enterprise research scholarship, the benefits, the value of the scholarship. This scholarship covers total 4 years. For PhD, this is covering 4 year tuition fee and also same amount of monthly allowance. So I think for 3 years they will provide the monthly allowance, and for 4 years they will cover your tuition fee. And this scholarship was covering 3 year for monthly allowance and 3 year for tuition fee. So how you can apply for that scholarship? You can simply click on that link. And another scholarship, international research tuition scholarship. So this scholarship will cover your tuition fee for 4 year PhD and 2 years master students. They'll not provide you the monthly allowance, but will cover your tuition fee. Eligibility, you can also take a look here. Commence international degree student, high quality and with demonstrated research ability. Be supported by strong supervisory panel. So these are the eligibility requirements for that scholarship. We can take a look here. You can take a look about scholarship benefits and conditions. Additional paid sick. So if you are sick, they'll still provide you the scholarship, and you can take a look more about that. There will be also thesis allowance. For example, if you are doing research, then you need some budget. They will also provide you that. And here you can take a look about the research degree and research training program scholarships. Policies, here they have mentioned the policies for that. And how you can apply a stepwise application. First you check your eligibility, okay, and then find the research project, and if you have any question then you can ask. So for doctor student, you should have a master's or bachelor's degree, and Satisfy a dean of research that your previous education, relevant professional experience, and published research work is sufficient quality and relevant to prepare the applicant for a research degree. You can take a look about master's degree students, and also if you want to take a look about English language requirements. So they require if we are applying, then you should have passing and approved tests, IELTS, TOEFL. So for IELTS, you can take a look here. Overall, they are like asking for 7 band with minimum 6.0. Similarly, you can take a look about TOEFL and other English tests as well. And non-English reach program minimum entry score. So they have different, for example, for clinical and health sciences, they require IELTS 6.5 and 6. These are other requirements. You can take a look. After reaching the requirement, then you can search the research project where you want to apply and submit your application. If you have any question related to that application, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then kindly subscribe to our channel. I wish you best of luck. Take care. Bye bye.